breaking news that is coming in at the moment after India's counter-strike. Sources now suggesting that IPL is now expected to be suspended. That, ladies and gentlemen, is coming in at the moment. Remember, the Dharamshala match was also shifted out. In fact, the entire stadium yesterday was blacked out after this escalation by the Pakistani army. And now we are getting to know that the IPL might soon be suspended. Of course, an official announcement will be done. But let me quickly go across to my colleague Karishma. Karishma, what more details do you have? Is IPL being suspended now?
Well, yes, absolutely. IPL is going to be suspended. There is a meeting that has happened today between the BCCI officials, the IPL Governing Council, and what we're given to understand is that IPL will be suspended. And sources have confirmed to us that what the Governing Council and the officials have discussed amongst themselves is the fact that they need to be seen standing with the nation. The safety of the players is, of course, paramount. Everybody involved with IPL, their safety is paramount. But having said that, it is now the time to stand with the country, stand with the nation, and that is what the IPL Governing Council has also discussed amongst themselves, that cricket is not above nation. It can happen at a later time. Even if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen if there is no window through this year to complete the remaining of the IPL matches. But at this moment, the need of the hour is to stand with India, to stand with our country, and that is why IPL is going to be suspended.
Okay. All right, Karishma, thanks very much for joining us at the moment, getting us those details. Of course, lots of developments that are taking place, viewers, as far as India's Operation Sindoor is coming in. We're also, of course, simultaneously showing you what's happening on ground in Jammu and Kashmir, along the IB, along the LOC. This is where the response by the armed forces is taking place. Pakistan has made a rather failed attempt to try and provoke the borders, the IB, the LOC. It has been doing unprovoked ceasefire violations as well. But this is the latest that's coming in as far as solidarity with the government and the armed forces is concerned. The IPL is now likely to be suspended. We were also showing you how splinters were used against civilians. My colleagues were getting you those ground reports, that images that are proof enough of what goes on when Pakistani army says that we do not target civilians. Obviously, they're not doing that. They're not walking the talk. But Karishma, this is an important development, the IPL to be suspended. The matches were shifted out of Dharamshala as well. But just the fact that the entire country is now coming together in solidarity with the armed forces for Operation Sindoor is reflective in this development that IPL will be suspended soon.
Well, yes, absolutely. And the fact that it was discussed amongst the IPL Governing Council and BCCI that nothing comes above standing with the country, standing with the nation. And that is why it hasn't been, postponed or shifted to the southern parts of India, which, could have hosted the IPL. They have decided to suspend it indefinitely. They have said that if through the year they can find some time to host the remaining of the matches, they will. But even if that is not possible, they have suspended the season midway. They are going to see later if it can be completed, but for the moment the emotion is to stand with the country, to stand with the nation. The foreign players are of course going to head back home. We had reported the Cricket Australia statement as well in the morning, where they had said they're monitoring the situation, and BCCI for the last 3-4 days has been constantly monitoring the situation. They have gotten the players out of Dharamshala as well. Punjab and Delhi players were in Dharamshala yesterday playing the match when it was called off midway because of a blackout in Dharamshala. So obviously all proper care and safety precautions are being taken by the BCCI, and IPL being suspended was only a matter of time. We had reported yesterday as well that there was an emergency meeting. Today as well, an emergency meeting in the morning has happened, in which standing with the nation has been the prime focus as far as BCCI and the IPL Governing Council is also concerned, and that is why they have decided to suspend the IPL. Whereas the PSL, if you talk about, which was, there has now been moved to the UAE.
All right, Karishma, we will keep coming back to you for the latest as far as this big announcement on IPL is concerned. Right now, viewers, we're heading in for a short break, but news and updates will continue on the other side. And